Alright, I'm gonna aim now. Hey guys, it's Hobo. Oh, there's someone on a pond. They're down there by the pond. I don't know where though. Here we go. Oh my god, I missed both of them. Oh shit, this is not a good shot. If we get shot now, hold on. Get out of here. No, get out of here. Let's bring this roof to the ground. If we go down, let's bring this roof to the ground. To the beat of the sound, let's bring this roof to the ground. If we go down, let's bring this roof to the ground. This is the worst spot. Where's he at? Jason, I'm moving up! I don't even know. What? What about the shotgun? Try not to, dude, try not to rush them. Cause think about it, they got a sniper, a pistol. Sniper. Oh, it smells like shit over here. Careful, we can have them go around here.
I'll go around that way.
Okay, take it slow. Just like in COD, don't run around the corners. Ow. Alright, I'm done. Hey guys, it's Hobo! Hey, that's my YouTube channel. Oh, thanks, man. Hobo!
I don't want to get hit on.
This is the worst spot you could ever be. Oh yeah, that's even worse. Shoot where? Shoot where? That shouldn't be full auto. Yeah. Yeah, it just lets the enemy know where we're at. Alright, this is where the bees are at. Sexy.
No.
This is where the bees are at, right over there. Oh, shoot!
No!
shade.
No count, no count.
No count. Holy crap.
Alex, it's me.
Yeah, get out of here.
Ow! Alex!
Oh, shoot. Hey. Hey.
Alex, you hit me! Yeah!
Throw him away.